we start in butter half. Butter half is one leg deep in. Try to get my knee behind his knee. And this leg is going to come in like a butterfly hook. Try to get this under his groin with my knee directly in his sternum. As he comes in, pressing it. I line it up directly on his sternum, and he goes this way, not this way. Sternum, this way, sternum. As he pressures in, I'm going to try to lift his arm drag. Arm drag his wrist, the tricep. I kick and come up. From here, we're ready to truck. I sit all the way up, grab this far leg, and sit back. Here I do an outside triangle. Here it's hard to see where to go. So you see the triangle you can see. If I'm going the wrong way, I can't see this. This is the wrong way. The triangle I can see is the outside triangle and two legs straight. His hips are on my chest. Control this leg. This is the truck. And I want to take his back and kick. His far hand comes, grab his shoulder. I pull, chin to shoulder, ready to kill. After, butterfly hook, knee to sternum. Pressure's in, grab this, kick, arm drag. Sit up, two hands on the leg, fall back. Triangle, extend evenly. And here we can wipe our nose. When we're ready to take his back, I kick as I grab his shoulder. Chin to shoulder, directly to kill. Sometimes when you play truck, you get stuck. He's attempting to flip my truck, means he wants control. Right now our hips are on the ground, so this is a 50-50 position. We don't know who's gonna win. The one who will win is the one who can get his hips lower. So I'll be here, kick my own foot, his hips come up. I'm winning. He goes down, he kicks his own leg, my hips are up, he's winning. So lots of ways to do this. I can grab this leg and kick my own foot. Some strong guys go like this. You need to be careful of your own knee, okay? Don't put too much pressure on your own knee and pop it. It happens. So I like to push my own foot like this, get his hips up, and turn so my body's under. Now I got it. Go back here, and he's gonna get it. He kicks. Situate himself under me. Now he's got it. We're gonna switch. I got it. We're gonna switch. He's got it. He's on my back. I don't know how to do this. We're gonna try to flip this from here. So I gotta get this one hook off. Clear a hook. Clear the hand. Oh, under. Now we're in that 50-50 position. He's gonna be fighting here. And so we have to keep our hips down and try to get his hips up. That's the fight. Maybe that's good. I don't know. We're trying our best.
Ryan Little.